could be the case that you wish to remove a particular tool from stock. In order to do so, sToolTracker allows you to perform a negative adjustment on the inventory of that particular tool. Search for sToolTracker negative adjustment and open up the negative adjustment card. Expand the card and enter a document number. Then select the tool for which you wish to perform the negative adjustment. The description and current location are automatically filled. Enter the quantity for the negative adjustment. As we're using serial number tracking for this particular tool, we need to ensure that we choose the appropriate serial number. Open up the serial card and select the appropriate number. The expire date is automatically entered. Enter the quantity of 1, print post, and the entry is posted to the journal. Now we verify our entry. Open up the tool card and select the appropriate tool. From the menu, select History and the ledger. You can see our negative adjustment here directly in the ledger.